Yeah, baby. What's up? Welcome back to my crypto journey live stream. My degenerates here for coffee and crypto. Over here in Southern Cali, baby, just kicking more shit than Luke King. Now, here's the thing. Finally, some excitement in the market. The cryptocurrency market is pulling back quite a bit today. Bitcoin down almost 9%. Ethereum down a little more than 9%. And I think that this is the moment we've been waiting for. Now, I know that a lot of people called us crazy because we said the bottom wasn't in yet. Although it felt like the bottom, it felt artificial, right? Because of the macroeconomic situation with the government going to keep raising interest rates to send us into some sort of recession, because that's the only way we're going to be able to fight inflation. And so, if you paid attention to all that, we knew that this kind of move was going to happen. But first, I want to give a shout out to today's and this month's sponsor. Shout out to Meta Monkey AI and V Empire D DAO. Links to their social medias are in the description of this video. I'll have an AMA with MetaMonkey AI today, so hashtag ad. And then I will have more news to come with V Empire D DAO later on in the month. It's going to be the shiznits, right? It's going to be sick. So I'll keep you posted on all that stuff. Keep an eye out over on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. Links to my Twitter is in the description down below. Follow me on Instagram and follow me on Twitch if you like gaming. Now, Bernie, always calling this stuff, baby. Bernie, one of our good TA guys, just kind of mostly a troll, but literally kills it with the TA and really called this dump. I mean, a lot of people, if you looked at the grand scheme of things, called it. We just didn't know when it was going to happen, and it looks like it's happening now. Do you guys think that this dump is going to continue? I want it to continue. I want things to get worse because I want to ape. I've been stacking up cash. I sold a lot of my Ethereum. So I want to make it happen. But first, let's say hi to the chat. We got Josh here. We got Jay Linda. We got Jayhawk, Crypto High, Franco. What's up? What's up, Jayhawk? What's up, Josh? Did I say Gabe already? We have Doobie, Matthew. What's up, baby? Sacco, Javi, Legal Alien, all the usual suspects here. Mr. J-Way, DJ. What's up, baby? Crypto Jutsu, Crypto Connor, and Marty. Dirty Miner. Yeah, I sold a lot. I sold a lot of Ethereum. I've been making a lot of trades. I told you guys that I think the market's going to dump a little more. When it started, I sold a lot of like high 1700s and then a little bit at 1800s, and then I sold all of my Polygon position. I know, Mr. J-Way, but what's up, Jayhawk? Atrioc? Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. So, of course, the big news today is, are the cryptocurrency markets pulling back? There's no direct reason or cause for anything. But another, piece of big news is that the Cardano testnet is catastrophically broken, says one of the ecosystem devs. Now, this comes right after the news of, kind of like a week after, where Mark Cuban pretty much dunks on Cardano, pretty much saying that, it doesn't generate any revenue and he doesn't really see a future in it, although it's very popular, right? You go to the top, 15 cryptocurrencies, Cardano's just hanging out at number 8 right here. So it's doing its thing. But it's come under a lot of scrutiny lately. Now, we're very familiar with Cardano on our channel. We went ahead and hung out and watched that speak with the FTC or CFTC about cryptocurrencies, commodities, securities, those sorts of things. And Charles Hoskins did a good job representing cryptocurrency as a brand, but for his project, it doesn't look like it's doing too hot right now. And we'll get into that story a little more. There's a small cap community tokens I was looking at. Of course, WAGME aped into one yesterday, but I sold out today, so I made a little bit of a gain right there. I made a good gain, and I think I did a 5x in a day, so I ended up selling out of that. And of course, nutraceutical finance looking pretty decent, up 8% on the day. I know I haven't been too vocal about nutraceutical finance right now. It's just kind of dirtling, but I should be getting some of their products very soon. I need to talk to the main dev. Just been super busy with a lot of stuff. So you're up 700% on my Bitcoin short, 70x leverage. You're a freaking degenerate. Be careful with that. Don't get wrecked. Saitama's still ass. Made a video about it yesterday. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and check that out. I do want to talk about crypto.com here for a second because I felt like there was a lot of bullish news on crypto.com and a lot of people really like crypto.com. Now, 3 pieces of big news. So one is that they reduced their trading fees to 80%, which is really, really good. They announced the fact that they're going to support the Ethereum merge, and obviously they're going to support the Ethereum merge. Everyone is going to support the Ethereum merge, but it's cool that they came out and announced it. And they went ahead and registered with a big governing body in the UK so they can get more acceptance over there, because a lot of other countries are really, really harsh on cryptocurrency regulation, as they should be. There's too many scams in the space. There's too many people getting wrecked, and we need um, we need lots of regulation in order to get big money into cryptocurrency. Now, this is pretty cool. So yesterday, the Huobi stablecoin depegged down to 85 cents, and it's supposed to be pegged to $1. It got its peg back to today, which is it got its peg back today, which is pretty scary, right? What's up, incoming? How you doing? BitConnect, I know, bro. What's up, that guy? Neville, smash the motherfucking like button, Pete. Yes, clickety clack that like button, pushes down, pushes up in the old algorithm. I told people ADA is trash. Yeah, Alex Becker's gonna have a fucking field day for this, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what Alex Becker has to say. It's gonna be crazy. Mizzy Matt loves crypto.com. So are we still calling them stablecoins? Look, algorithmic stablecoins do not work, right? They don't. What's up, Echoes? Oh, you got the coof. Sorry about that, Echoes. I was wondering where your stream went, dude. You got to keep it up, bro. You got to send it. I know you're probably sick. I actually had it a little while ago. I didn't tell anybody though. I had it pretty bad. I don't remember I was sick, guys. I had it. So hope you're doing well, buddy. Can't wait for you to get back on the internet. I love your show, man. Like your matter of fact attitude, you're gonna kill it, bro. Very, very good content. Just keep going, bro. Just keep sending it, man. Yeah, it does, right? It does. You know, I've had it before, and like it didn't nothing. I didn't feel anything, and then I got it again, and I felt like absolute crap. Now let's go ahead and look at some of these headlines from CNBC, and we're not going to watch the whole video, but we're going to talk about the headlines because they're very, very important. So we got our babe over here. This is our wife right here. She just doesn't know it yet. And yeah, let's continue.
All right, on to the top stories. First up, crypto investors are still keeping a close eye on the global economy. Inflation is surging in the UK, hitting 10.1% thanks to rising food and energy costs. What's worse, experts think rising costs won't peak until the fall. That could drive the Bank of England to pick up the pace of its interest rate hikes. And here in the US, the Federal Reserve just hinted that it's going to keep raising rates, despite data showing inflation could be cooling slightly here in the States.
Now that's important, right? We talked about that. I mean, it's easy. I go to these crypto channels, like big ones, and they ignore the macroeconomic situation. They just pretend like, no, we're different from the rest of the world. Like, no, the market dumping's not going to, or excuse me, the macroeconomic situation is not going to affect cryptocurrency. They completely ignore all that shit. They ignore that we're going to raise interest rates again, and they wonder why crypto starts to dump again. And to me, it's like just super obvious. You know, we're seeing all this. Shout out to Clear Value Tax and other people we watch. It's like, well, yeah. I mean, we're seeing it right now. You know, and you have to understand that cryptocurrency is going to move with that. So to me, this is not a surprise. If you've been watching the channel, it's not a surprise. Jay-Way, Bernie, a lot of people, we know it's not a surprise. It was just a nice little relief rally we got. We were able to buy at a really low rate, you know. But here's the thing, guys, we're gonna have a better buying opportunity coming up. Get some money on the sidelines. It's gonna dump some more. Like even now's a good time to dollar cost average, but I think it's gonna dump even more. So, you know, maybe we'll have a 17K Bitcoin. Maybe we have a 16K Bitcoin, something like that. Could happen, right? That'd be nice. Or $700 ETH. Come on. I want ETH to get under $1,000, you know? I bought a bunch of Polygon pretty, you know, at a decent price, and I sold it all. It's going to dump some more probably. We'll see. But I was up pretty good on some Polygon. Yeah, a lot of people got caught, right? Yeah. So let's go ahead and continue. Yeah. Bernie's been telling us, but we felt like the market was going to pull back soon. We're expecting some really bloody days. Just hit that funny button, baby. Clickety clack that like button. $1 ETH. Let's go, dude. If ETH goes to $1, I'm doing some real degenerate stuff for some ETH. All right, let's continue.
Investors feared too many rate increases could push the U.S. into recession, which would spell bad news for risky assets like crypto. Next, Tether is taking steps to make its stablecoin more transparent by working with a new accounting firm. The USDT issuer will use BDO Italia, which will publish monthly reports on the state of Tether's $67 billion in reserves.
It's so important. Stablecoin regulation. And of course, you know, when it comes to Tether, people were accusing them of all kinds of things, right? And remember, their stablecoin did depeg for a little bit, and people were scared as hell, but they were able to cover everything with the reserves, right? Like USDC. So when it comes to stablecoins, don't trust algorithmic ones. I think algorithmic ones are dead. But ones that are backed by assets and can prove that they're backed by assets will continue to thrive. And Tether is taking steps towards making sure, towards to letting the public know that, hey, we are backed by things. We're not just saying we're worth something. We can cover costs if we have some sort of crazy sell-off, which is really, really important for cryptocurrency, right? Very, very important. And it's just transparency. And look at in the actual real world, if you're doing things like this, you have to prove that you actually have the money. So this is important. Continue. Let's continue.
The decision comes after months of promises from the issuer to be more transparent about its reserves. It also follows regulators and lawmakers around the globe placing new scrutiny on the stablecoin industry after the collapse of Terra USD. Finally, a new study says crypto insider trading may be a bigger issue than previously thought. The research out of the University of Technology, Sydney, found that between 10 and 25% of crypto listings on Coinbase showed apparent evidence of systemic insider trading.
Now, this is super important, right? Remember that guy and his friends got caught for insider trading on Coinbase. In DeFi, it's so easy to insider trade because if you just keep your mouth shut, and the only reason why they got caught is because someone linked them to an account on Twitter, right? Some guy found a wallet that was clearly showing like someone buying said token before it got listed on Coinbase and then selling it immediately after. So you have to be kind of crazy. DoobieTube, I'm sure it's way higher than that. I'm sure it's way higher than that. Because there's no name or account attached to your DeFi wallet. But when you send it to an exchange, maybe through enough research, they can see where it actually came from because you got to turn it into cash eventually. I mean, you don't have to, right? Or before you could use Tornado Cash, right? So a good strategy would be, hey, if you're an employee at Coinbase, you saw that Bernie Inu was going to get listed on Coinbase in like a couple of weeks. You're like, okay, let me buy a bunch of Bernie Inu. And so you buy a bunch of Bernie Inu, it gets listed on Coinbase, and then you dump it right after it starts to run. And then after you have all that Bernie Inu in your DeFi wallet, or you swap your Bernie Inu for USDT or whatever, send it to Tornado Cash. Then from Tornado Cash, send it to another wallet, and then send it from that wallet to your actual Coinbase account. And then boom, there it is. There it is, baby. So got rid of Tornado Cash. They're going to start cracking down on. I bet you these exchanges are going to have to start. They're going to have to start giving like lists of like, say for example, you're like a big time player in cryptocurrency, and you're getting tens of thousands of dollars into your Coinbase account like often. Dude, I'm telling you that these exchanges are going to have to like cough up that information to these regulatory bodies, right? It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy. DoobieTube says, let's be honest, insider trading is only squashed by SEC regulations, so anywhere not regulated had insider trading. We just accepted it and tried to get our piece. Exactly. But isn't that how it's supposed to go? Buying crypto before it hits these big exchanges? Yes, but technically, if you're inside of a company and that information is not public, you can't do things, right? It still counts as insider trading. Like if you do things, sell stock, buy stock based on information that's not public, then that's insider trading. That's what you want to do, yes. But if that information is not available to everyone else and you only know it because you work there, well, then you can get in trouble for that. Because you have an unfair advantage, right? You could buy before anyone else. You can sell before anyone else. So
the study looked at 100.
Like say, for example, you work at a big company, right? You walk into your boss's office and he's plowing the cleaning lady. And you're like, oh shit, he's plowing the cleaning lady. I should sell all my shares in this company before this news becomes public. I'm pretty sure that's not a good example, but you know what I mean, right? It's mostly for like news, right? Big things happening. Like Elon Musk is in trouble for some of that stuff, right? So, but this is a prime example of insider trading. So let's continue.
And 46 tokens and their price moves on decentralized exchanges 300 hours before Coinbase announced their listing. The study found a run-up in token prices around 250 hours before the announcement. A spokesperson for Coinbase told CNBC, quote, Coinbase takes allegations of front running incredibly seriously, and we work hard to ensure all market participants have access to the same information. As part of this effort, we take steps to minimize the possibility of technical signals during asset testing and integration steps. We have zero tolerance for illicit behavior and monitor for it, conducting investigations where appropriate. Coinbase is
So that's interesting. Like, what can you really do? Say, for example, I work at Coinbase. I can open up 15 fucking MetaMask accounts. What can they really do to take steps against that? Except say, oh, this wallet's been timing our trades perfectly. They can't link it to anybody. That's what I'm saying. Going forward, these exchanges are going to have to like really cough up information like, oh no, this wallet has been sending this much money and cashing it out for fiat, or putting USDT or whatever they're putting Ethereum into this account. And this comes from a wallet that's been timing these trades perfectly. Oh, it turns out this guy works at your your building or whatever. Crazy. That's a great example, Rodney. So if I'm drilling the cleaning lady and she works at Binance, if you're working at Coinbase and you're drilling the cleaning lady that works at Binance, first of all, how did that happen? Did you just walk into fucking Binance headquarters and see a hot cleaning lady? All right, we're getting off the rails here. All right. But what if I worked at Coinbase and I signaled the market makers? If you walk by and hear the CFO say, "Hey, we are fucked. I have been cooking the books," then you dump all your company stock options that day. That's an issue. But that's an issue. But what are you supposed to do? Exactly. You're not supposed to say anything, right? You're supposed to just wait till the information becomes public and then sell. So like right when that motherfucker goes on stage, right, and says like, "All right, we're bankrupt. We're gonna shut down our business. Sell. You know what I mean?" That's what you do. You wait as soon as that mic goes hot, baby. Or unless you're Nancy Pelosi, then you can do whatever the fuck you want, right?
is currently facing a probe by the Securities and Exchange Commission over its listing process. Well, speaking of insider trading, for our main story of the day, Crypto World's Jordan Smith spoke to David Maria of Bittrex about these risks and what tools regulators have to fight it.
We're not going to watch that, but hold on.
First, how real is this insider trading issue broadly in crypto markets? This study looks at Coinbase, but previous studies have found similar evidence on Binance as well. How big of a problem is this?
You see from the current news that it's a problem. It's something.
This motherfucker, this guy is scary. Let me tell you, look at all those accolades this motherfucker has. This motherfucker looks like he's about to interrogate you. Like, this is like a personal investigator, the motherfucker. Look at this. I don't want to see none of this. This is scary, bro. This is scary. Pretty much he's going to talk about how they can fight, insider trading. We're not going to watch this because it gets kind of boring, but I'm sure they have a lot of tools that really help them fight insider trading, right? We'll see what they do to crack down on it. But honestly, guys, with the way that, cryptocurrency is just so anonymous, what can you do? But the first step is getting rid of something like Tornado Cash, right? So once you get rid of Tornado Cash, people can't wash their money. Rorschach says, if you hear the CFO say something like that, you may or may not want to, may or be in the window to sell. Public companies have time windows for their employees to sell held shares. They can't just sell whenever. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. So you can sell, but it depends. William says, what's your end of year price prediction on Saitama? Fucking crash to the Earth's core. Where's Matt Wallace? That's my boy, actually. I actually went on a live stream with him, but a lot of people do not like Matt Wallace. Bernie was about to fight me. Bernie's like, bro, say something nice about Matt Wallace again, boy. I was like, God damn. I'm not too familiar with Matt Wallace. I just know that whole issue with Dogecoin, the whole cryptocurrency launch was pretty bad. He wants me to do some Twitter live spaces with him, which I agreed to. I covered the Solana situation with the Solana hack, but it wasn't just Bernie. A lot of people did not like me hanging out with Matt Wallace, but I don't know what's going on. Do people know things I don't know? People are going to get liquidated from leverage. It's about to get bad. Yeah, a lot of people are degenerates, and this is what really caused like a sort of a cascading effect when the market started to dump last time, right? Especially with motherfucking DAOs. Like people took out so much leverage. At least in cryptocurrency, you have to put, or at least on DeFi, you have to put up some money if you're going to be taking out a ton of leverage. So there's a little bit of it. So, imagine if these poop coins needed to have insider. Yeah, right, dude. These motherfuckers. Remember when Max from Saitama announced that he was fucking leaving? And then like 10 minutes before he posted it on Twitter, we saw a fat sell in the charts. That's not coincidence, people. He was crying when SHIB exploded. Really? Bernie, bro, don't get me started. I'll knock you to the next bull. Can you please knock me into the next bull run? Fucking please. He's a fucking scammer, bro. Was he really? Tell the tale. What happened? Oh, yeah. It's leg day today, guys. I don't know about you, but I'm fucking feeling frisky. I got so much work to do today, which I'm actually happy about. We got some new sponsors. We got MetaMonkey AI and VMpire DAO, DDAO. It's going to be fun. Got a lot of sponsors going for it. It's time to get to work again, Time to put some videos up. Time to get to work again. And I also stream on Twitch if you guys like video games and shit like that. All right, let's get back into the news. So you're saying Matt Wallace is a scammer. I gotta check his channel out a little more. He seems like a nice guy when I spoke to him. I think he's been cordial and nice and pretty honest with me. So I did get into February yesterday. I put $200 in February or 300. I made about 1,000. I aped out. I'm done. So I made about a 3.5x or 3x some change. So I got out of there. So yes, I did get into February, but I didn't tell you I was getting into February because I didn't want you guys to ape in there. So I'm sorry. If you guys want degen plays, that's fine, but I don't want to wreck you guys. I make a lot of plays like that I don't tell you about. Austin Hilton equals scammer. Well, I wouldn't say that. I don't know anything about that, so no comment. Yes, clickety clack that like button, baby. Yes, usually the likes take a little bit to catch up. I'm staking HBAR on Sacer swap. What is that? All right, let's cover this Cardano news because I think this is pretty interesting. So Cardano TestNet is catastrophically broken ecosystem dev. So we had a huge price pump of Cardano back maybe 2 months ago. Let's check ADA. Let's see when that huge price pump was. I think it was in the last 3 months, right before June. Yeah, right here. Yeah, right before June, right? We had this huge price pump here up to about 84 cents, or my bad, 64 cents. And has dumped quite a bit since, right? Pretty bad. Now, this just came out, and this was part of their vast seal hard fork or something like that. So as a key takeaways, Cardano stake pool operations have discovered a critical bug in the latest version of the blockchain's client software that creates incompatible forks on the testnet. Prominent ecosystem developer Adam Dean warned of the issue Thursday, saying that the testnet was catastrophically broken. Cardano is now running the new client software, Cardano Node version 1.343, on 2 testnets without any block history. So it says Cardano testnet breaks following rushed updates. And I feel like they've been updating for a while. So it says Cardano testnet has broken, one prominent developer has warned. Due to a bug in older versions of Cardano's client software that was only recently discovered by the network's community of developers, the Layer 1 blockchain's testnet is now incompatible and incapable of supporting the latest client software. Pretty interesting, right? And Adam Dean talked about this. He has a little thread on Twitter. Adam Dean, a leading ecosystem developer and former Cardano stake pool operator, tweeted a warning late Thursday that the Cardano testnet, which has been running for 2 years, has become incompatible with the current version of the blockchain's client software. It's important to point out today that Cardano testnet is catastrophically broken due to a bug in Cardano's node, he asserted. Now, catastrophically is not a good word to use, right? That's bad. That's like the worst thing you can. It's worse than disaster, right? Input Output, the development company behind Cardano, had reassured independent stake pool operators that Cardano Node version 1.342 had been heavily tested and was ready for deployment. And so that's pretty much the thing. They said, hey, everything was good to go. They sent it, and it turns out it's not doing well. And people knock Ethereum about being slow, clunky. Say what the fuck you want to say. We don't know the results of the Goleri testnet, right? That just happened, the Goleri testnet, one of the networks on Ethereum, but it looks like it's doing fine. Ethereum gets it right? These are one of the competitors with Ethereum. Ethereum is getting it right? They are the leader. Say what you want about it. They say what you want about it, but they are the leader and they're doing things the right way, right? Safe, secure, scalable, decentralized. They're doing it the right way, and they'll continue to dominate, in my opinion. So yeah, but I saw this picture yesterday because XRP and Ethereum had a little bit of beef. And I'll get to your comments right now. I see some of your comments. XRP and who do you want on your team? Do you want Ethereum or are they like okay? I know he looks like he just came from a Yu-Gi-Oh card tournament. I know that he likes watching My Little Ponies. I know Vitalik may be a strange man, but god damn it, I want this guy to lead me into battle. When you go to these guys at XRP, look at these guys. They might buy you a steak dinner, right? Yeah, they might be all nice and dressed up in suit and tie. But do you really trust these guys? Do you really trust these guys? You know who I trust? Look at this. Look at this guy's look at this satchel. It's a fucking cat. It's not only a satchel, a bag. It's also a cat. This is our fucking fearless leader here. This is the man behind Ethereum. If you're a billionaire, you can do whatever you want, right? So let me get back to some of these comments because you guys had some good comments in here. What's up, Just a Man? Welcome. Do me a favor, clickety-clack that like button. Dirty Miner says, holy crap, Saitama dumped today too. I'm not surprised. My Cardano DCA is catastrophically broken. Yeah, I have a good amount of Cardano. I'm holding an L on that one. Yeah, right? It's because the market is down, right? Jimbo says, wait just real quick. Back to the insider trading discussion. How can things like Clear Cryptos and BTFA not insider trade when everyone knows what's coming and they are invested in it? Well, it's a little different, right? So first of all, I think BTFA and it's all the same. It's all the same. I don't know. I don't know how the companies are going to handle that. It's going to be tough. It's going to be tough because there's no clear regulation on cryptocurrency right now. So, for example, if someone on the Ethereum, or excuse me, on the BTFA team or the Clear Cryptos team, like their employees, staff, whatever, maybe they figure out some real shady stuff that happened. Maybe some of the executives said some real shady things about people, and those conversations became public. I don't know. I'm not sure if that works, or I'm not sure how that works. But cryptocurrency is a gray area, right? That's why there's no clear regulation in it, and this is why the SEC is going hard after cryptocurrency right now because they want to regulate it. So I don't know how that's going to work. But yeah, that would count. Chris Croc says Matt Walsh is a shady fraud rug pulling used car salesman. Accepted crypto. Oh, I heard about that. I actually made a video on that. What's up, the Prez? What's up, Seifu Apu? Yeah, I know. They're partnered with Clear. They're all the same. Let them do their thing. Scott is going to cost the market to dump more. He's so happy, right? Yes, he's wearing purple gloves. Well, hands get cold, He's happy and he's clappy. What's up, Cortez? How you doing? What's up, Owlsum Austin? How you doing, baby? Vitalik is perfect for crypto. I can't stand suits. I really can't stand them. They're all too caught up in looking sharp and popping bottles, getting wasted every week. Yeah, fuck those guys. You know what I mean? What's up, ass? F those guys, right? What's up, Joe Dirt? How you doing? Shib Army in the house. Man, Shib needs to do some stuff. They gotta get it done. They gotta get it done. Shiba Inu is not. I'm telling you guys. Look, I don't mean to be a dick here. Love you guys, but damn. Let's go, Shibarium. Let's go. Pop bottle, fuck models. Vitalik. See, it's funny because like Vitalik just does it because like he's I don't know. When will I become a billionaire? I don't know about that. Maybe a millionaire. What's up, Jay Hawk? Ship took the biggest dump of all. Well, Ship had a huge spike, so keep that in mind. Easy, bro. Lay off my bone. No, I'm gonna be all over that bone, dude. Pause. Pause. Yeah, but I don't know. You think that they're gonna be where they are this next run? I just don't see it, guys. I don't see them. I don't see them running like they were. I don't see them running like they've done. Q3, Q4 going to be wild for crypto. So many products have utilities coming out. I hope so. I need a huge market dump so I can drop 30K on these coins. When is Shibarium going to happen? I don't know, right? Does he have a Hello Kitty backpack? Maybe. That's a good possibility. So that's a pretty interesting little battle right here. Open your eyes, people. XRP. Look at documenting Ripple. This is like obviously a page supported to that supports Ripple, but kind of roasted our mans here. He's feeling that fucking fit, bro. He's feeling that fit. Incoming says, my portfolio is down 25% in 1 week. This sucks. Wake me up in 2 years, right? Nice, DJ. That's really good. Abe Spade with the 20. Abe's back in the chat, baby, with a $20 donation for Ferberus. I actually bought a bunch yesterday and I sold. But if you guys want to ape into that, thank you so much, Abe's Spades. Abe's back in the chat. This is what Abe's does. Abe's disappears for months, hops back in with $20 donations, baby. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, start with straight shots and then pop bottles. Pour it on the model. Shut up, bitch. Swallow. Vitalik. Let's go, baby. Thank you so much for the $20 donation, Abe's. You are the man. Wish I had some serious money to flip with, but I'm working my way up. Yeah, bro. YouTube is trash. I watch every day, but why do I have to search your name to get to your live streams? Really? Do you really? Dude, are they fucking am I being shadow banned? No, there's no reason why I should be shadow banned. I mean, I am subscribed to my own YouTube channel on like my other account, and I always get a notification when I go live. So I'm not sure what's up with that. Yeah, $500 million in crypto liquidate. Yeah, it's going nuts. It's going nuts. I've seen all the top shillers pushing Ferberus. What is it, Rodney? It's a small cap. It's a gem right now. It's pumping. I put $300 in. I 3x. I got out yesterday, but it's only at a $75,000 market cap. Super low market cap, but I sold out already. I bought some yesterday, so I mean it only has 95 holders. It could go crazy, but you could also get wrecked. So. Fucking Abe's ghosting us and now popping up from the ashes. Love it. I know, Abe. Austin says, Rodney, I was looking at a Vegas trip. I saw the Mandalay Bay Resort. You ready to go? Awesome. You go. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, Racket Club? That's weird, Cool and Chris. Maybe it is. I don't know. But my politics, bro? Really? I don't talk about politics too much. You think so? Why is there so much hoping in this chart, Rodney? What do you mean hoping? What's up, Flavor Dave? Rodney, do you own? I do own stocks, mostly index funds. Austin, if you have questions about Mandalay Bay, send me a DM. It's my second home. Are we going? You might be shadow banned. Why would I be shadow banned? I mean, my views have been down, but it's honestly like my live streams. I mean, crypto views are down everywhere. You know, everyone kind of has really like ass views. It's not anything new. I usually get like over 1,000 views per vid per live stream a day, which is not bad. You know, it's just there's no hype in cryptocurrency right now, so I wouldn't blame YouTube for that. I would just blame the lack of content. I don't push out that much content anymore. You know, I gotta really help the algorithm. You know, I just gotta put out a bunch of dumbass videos that like no one cares about, which I will. What's up, Critical Thinker? That's Russ in there. Rodney will never pump above 3 inches again. Never? Let's go to Vegas, baby. Let's do it big. It's all good. Look at, hey, I can't look at the. I'm trying to, I actually think I'm going to switch up my thumbnails. I think I'll switch up my thumbnails. There's some nice thumbnails out there, but then some people have like ass thumbnails and get a ton of views. Some people have like really good thumbnails and get okay views. So I don't know. I don't know what the secret sauce is. It's either people fuck with me or they don't, you know? But that's okay because Twitch has been popping too. So unfortunately though, I was playing a bunch of music on Twitch yesterday and Twitch sent me a fucking a message saying I can't play all that music, which sucks because that was fun yesterday. So I mean, who knows, right? Look at just keep going, right? Just keep pushing forward. Show up. Fuck it, we'll do it live. Critical thinker, chill the fuck out. That's how I feel, Rodney. Yeah. See, it's consistency. That's key. Yeah, exactly. Right. Awesome's showing up every day. Right. If the views are down, they're down. They're down everywhere. Like no one in crypto is getting an extreme amount of views compared to what they get during a bull. It's all like relative, unless you're like let's see, was I am George kills it, or my bad, Cryptos are us. I'm George. We're all George, right? So cryptos are us, you know. Tough. It's tough, you know. He's always killing it, but I think even during the bull market, he kills it way more, right? But look at this motherfucker 2 weeks ago, 100K views for a stream. This guy is fucking killing it, dude. I think he streams like 3 times a day. It's always good to look at like people that are killing it in your space, but he's a real Bitcoin maxi guy. Wow, this is crazy. He was getting way less views months ago. That's crazy. And getting way more views today. That's nuts. I wonder why that was. Wow, yeah. What's up with that? That's weird. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. Yeah, so he's killing it. Who's another one? Brian Young? Brian. I don't know. I don't know. Brian Young. There it is. He pops in every few days and makes decent videos. Kills it. He has some good ass thumbnails. I think they're a little crazy though, right? I do like his thumbnails. Oh, you can play the music. It just won't be available to watch after you stream. Turn off VOD. Ah. Okay. Okay. So I can stream. I can do. Okay. Okay. Hey, Apes and Spades. Yeah, we appreciate you, bro. I saw Sandstorm talking about that product yesterday. You would have Mad Bank if you were in on his call program. Lol. Is that what he said? My call program. You would have made bank if you were in my call program. What's up, Psycho? Paying for bots? Yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah, that's one thing I won't do. Look, I've thought about botting my Twitter account because you know what? Twitter's mostly bots anyways. Well, Brian Young's not really killing it compared to subscribers. If you think about like 19K views or 20K views for 1.2 million subscribers, that's a bad ratio, right? I appreciate incoming. It's not a good ratio, right? If you think about the grand scheme of things. But here's the thing. The people that subscribe to his channel like cryptocurrency. So when the hype kicks back in, they'll watch again because they like that. Oh, no. Yeah. George is fucking murdering it. George is an absolute animal. And I watch George often. But who I really like more is this guy, Coin B. This guy. This is some top-notch content. I like George, but it's mostly like he's like a Bitcoin maxi. And it's like it's all hopium a lot of the time. It's some good information, but he's never like completely honest about it's probably gonna fucking dump. He's just always like, no, we're gonna be all right. Um, first of all, Dom explains crypto. Like your channel, just subscribe today. I like your thumbnails, bro. I need to figure out how the fuck you do that. But this guy's really good. Coin Bureau is so good. This is some good information. They're long ass videos, so this is definitely like you're taking a walk, but it really well put together videos. And then he has Coin Bureau clips, which is really good too. This is a good channel. So if you guys are into that, check out Coin Bureau clips, Coin Bureau videos. Very, very good. Has a little live streams sometimes. Love them. Love them. Appreciate that, Renaissance. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Try to give you guys some news, spice it up. Look, there's not much news today. There's not much news today. The only news is that the cryptocurrency markets are tumbling a little bit, right? A lot of it. 10% is a lot. Oh, but in crypto, that's just kind of minor, you know? What's up, Roger? Invest Answers. Oh, is that a Invest Answers? Yes, I do like this guy. Absolutely. 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 I've subscribed to him. The guy goes live like every day, right? Yeah. Well, almost every day. Are these lives? Yeah, these are lives. Okay. Streamed. Yeah. Yeah, he's very good. Very, very good. So keep pushing. Hey, keep pushing through the bear. Keep pushing. Keep putting out content. I had someone make my thumbnails. I had them make a blank template for me. Then I add my. Oh, okay. Yeah, those are good, Dom. You know who really mastered the thumbnail game? And like in his own way, Awesome Austin, bro. Fucking sick thumbnail game. Real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and slob on the knob real quick. Awesome has some bomb ass fucking thumbnails, bro. I don't know. They're like different. They're not like everyone else's thumbnails, right? They're like his own. So that's nice. Like mine are okay. Right? Mine are okay. Hey, but I think they could be better. No, these are not bad thumbnails. Like there are some bad thumbnails. I actually do like my thumbnails. They could be better though. They could be better. And I don't like this banner too much. Thank you so much for this $2 super sticker, Selmo Fudd. Yes, chatty ass chat today. Keep chatting. Yeah, definitely. I'll give you a huge Wag Me update here in a second. So, yeah. I do like my thumbnails. I'm happy with my thumbnails. Look at these babies. These are actually not bad thumbnails. Okay, I'm a little happier looking at them as a collective, I make them every morning, I make them every morning. Obviously, they're the same, but yes, Austin knows Photoshop. Look at these babies. Let's go. Chat we shall. Roger, I cannot wait for the boys to come to town. I think I might just chill out this weekend. I don't think I'm going to go party. I think I'm going to chill out this weekend, eat healthy foods, all that good stuff. Let my body detox a little bit so we can send it when the boys come to town. And if you guys didn't know, I'm going to Spain next month. You like the thumbnails with the face? All right. Hell yeah, Dom. I got you, bro. Y'all need to get Photoshop. I do. This is Canva. It's just not bad, right? It's not bad, but I could do better. But then you have people like, Cryptos R Us. Like, those thumbnails are ass. Cryptos R Us thumbnails are ass. They're so basic, but people like his shit. It doesn't matter. So, like these are ass thumbnails. If you think about like Brian Young, other stuff, other people, these are ass thumbnails. You know what I mean? First of all, shout out to Lark Invest too. Lark has some ass thumbnails, but people watch his shit because they like him, right? So that is true. It does. It kind of matters and it kind of doesn't. Or this guy, Andre Jick, but he's like more of a finance guy, right? Well, these are good thumbnails. Your pop shit is basic. I mean, yeah. I have Rorschach. Exactly, Awesome. Yeah, exactly. He's been in the game. People like him. Yeah, gotta stay in it, man. The cool thing about this is that look at in the grand scheme of things, all the crypto influencers or YouTube content creators, we're all in here early. So like when crypto takes off, hopefully we grow with it, right? Yeah, it's weird. Let's check out WagMe right now. WagMe's killing it, man. What can you say about WagMe? We'll check out WagMe and Nutraceutical Finance, but WagMe, of course, I'm not partners with them right now. That's why I don't really take the time to really shill them a lot or update them every single day. But I do like the team. I like Scott Herman. They're doing big things, right? They're doing big things, making good partnerships, and building in a bear market right now. And they're going to be a competitor in the phone gaming industry. That's a big deal. Right? That's a big deal. They're always making upgrades to the game. They're making it cleaner, right? They're on the GameStop website right here. That's pretty awesome. Along with bigger players in this space, Illuvium, Gods and Chains, Guardians, Planet Quest, Ember Sword, WagMe, right? They're making big moves in the space. I still have my bag. I haven't touched a token. I wish I would have sold more at the top, but hindsight's 2020. But I'm okay holding my bag of WagMe. I don't feel like I need to touch my bag at all. I feel like it's fine. Bet, Racket Club, bet. Talk about partnerships. You want to bring up BTFA and Clear Cryptos? No comment. Hey, no comment. But WagMe doing their thing. They're building. Ian's a cool guy. These guys are all cool ass people. They're doing their thing right now. I mean, you can't expect more from a team in a time where cryptocurrency is boring right now. They're marketing, right? They're doing their thing. I'm obviously I'm not going to take the time to like put all these like little sponsorships and promotions if we're not partnered, because I have to reserve that for the people I'm partnered with, right? That lockdown deals for like a month or something like that, you know. So, but when it starts running again and stuff like that, I could chill just to pump my own bag, but I don't think I need to. I think they're going to do fine if I pump it or I don't pump it. Now it's got Nutra. Now I've been pretty bad at shilling this, but you know it's been kind of slow. I think they're finally getting their what the fuck? Nutra. Finally getting their product out there to the market. Actually getting there, and they're getting. I think they have an AMA with. They had an AMA with Trevor. They're gonna have an AMA with Legal, I believe, right? Legal. So they're doing their thing. You know, they're getting out there making products. It kind of took them a while to get their first product out there, but they're sending it. So it's the crypto night. BTFA, say talk about V3, Clear Cryptos, and Sandstorm. I know, right? I don't think Sandstorm's associated with Clear Cryptos anymore. I think they had a falling out. Hey. Yes, that's right, baby. I always feel like I'm gonna need to touch my. Oh my god. I keep adding. Yeah, I think Wagme's gonna be absolutely fine. They don't need me shilling them. They don't. They don't. They want me. They can, but I think they're. I don't know. I'm not sure what they're doing, but it looks like they have other influencers promoting them. So you know, hey, look at we were one of the original ones. Cool. You know, but they don't need me shilling them. They got people like these top people. I don't know what they make YouTube videos or something like that, or they're doing it for the hell of it. I don't know. I see these big influencers retweeting and stuff like that. So I don't know. Storm as a child reminds me of the telephone tough guy. Actually, I tried to go back and watch a Sandstorm video about the Saitama. It was the Saitama AMA reaction. I just think it was bad. Just bad. You know what? I'm just past all this. I'm just past all that shit. You know what I mean? I'm past all of it. There are some things. I got a text message sent to me yesterday. I'm going to talk about this. I got a text message sent to me yesterday. Somebody anonymously sent me a text message, a screenshot of a group text between Clear Crypto influencers. And let me just tell you something. Some real harsh things were said in those text message threads about me, a bunch of lies about my situation, about a lot of personal things in my life. And it made me so mad. But these were old text messages when they first came out. And I think that the person who sent them to me wants me to make some sort of video about Clear Cryptos dogging them. But let me tell you, if any of those Clear Crypto influencers, you know, if that were ever to come public, lawsuits are coming because they're clear lies and a bunch of crazy stuff happened, you know. So someone anonymously sent me a bunch of text messages yesterday, screenshots of what the Clear Cryptos influencers were saying. And let me tell you, it's fucking brutal. It's brutal. I don't know. They don't like me, but they said some real like fucked up things that were absolute complete lies. And if those things ever, if that was ever published by an influencer or anybody, 100% we're lawyering up because that's some real slander, you know. But I think that the person who sent me those maybe had a falling out with Clear Cryptos and he wants me to make a video on them. Now, whatever, do your thing. But let me tell you, that looks bad for their business. That's really bad. That's really bad. Yeah, insecure old men. Yeah, it's insane. It's insane. You know, it's insane. You know, when I went after them, I went after their product. You know. So we take down all the Clear Crypto. No, I'm not doing that. No. They want like they have their YouTube channel, right? Don't they have their YouTube channel? They have a YouTube channel. Let them do their things. It's a fair market. Go. You know, the market decides, right? The market decides. I know. They have a YouTube channel, has like 1,000 subscribers, right? The market decides. If people want to watch this, they're going to go watch it, right? They got news every day. They got people, the market decides. They've been up and running for a while, right? So, here, some promotion for Clear Cryptos. You want to check out some news? Go hang out and do some Clear Crypto news. But, you know, it's all about Ponzi and hopefully will be an afterthought. It's all a Ponzi and hopefully be an afterthought. We'll see what happens. That's it. That YouTube channel barely broke 1K subs with all those top influencers. The market decides what they want to watch, right? The market decides what they want to watch. I don't really have the urge to do that anymore. All I want to do is make money and work on my channel and give you guys the news and dunk on Saitama occasionally. And maybe we'll have a big cryptocurrency product we follow that gets hype and then we can blow up with, but because those get the views. But all those guys on their own channel bought their fake ass subs, check the views and subs. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna bot anything. I might bought my Twitter account though. Give me 50K subs or 50K followers. Fucking biz. Christy says, I decided to dump XRP. At this point, XRP is looking like a big scam. Polygon is now my main holding. Nice. I actually dumped all my Polygon for a just to make some money though. I'm gonna buy back in. Hey, the market decides. You know? The market decides. Yeah, who cares? Just send. I don't care, dude. I don't know. People want me to be the CoffeeZilla. I just can't be the CoffeeZilla, guys. I'm not CoffeeZilla. You know. I'm not. Because here's the thing, and he made a video the other day that really points it really points out cryptocurrency right now. He made a video, like CoffeeZilla made a good video on NFTs. This is a good video. Check this out. First of all, click that like button. Push up in the old algorithm, baby. CoffeeZilla made a very good video about NFTs the other day. What happened to these celebrity NFTs? It's a very good video. And pretty much every NFT ever, that was pushed by influencers are down, except for the Gary Vee ones, right? Gary Vee's NFTs are doing fine. So all cryptocurrency companies and NFT projects, NFTs are just money grabs, in my opinion. A lot of them are, right? But they're small startup businesses. What percentages of new businesses fail? So, percentage of businesses that fail. Let's check this out. 18.4 private sector businesses in the US failed within the first year. After 5 years, 50% have faltered, while after 10 years, 65% of businesses have failed. It's no different to startup cryptocurrency companies, right? No different. A lot of these cryptocurrency companies, regardless of their intentions, are probably going to fail. And a lot of them are here for a good time, not a long time. So if you're going to invest into these projects and you're going to ape your fucking life savings, don't get mad when the rug is pulled or they just do bad or they do bad for years to come. They could just be the thing. They could just be a shitty business, right? Like people always like are hopeful for Saitama going crazy, but you have to understand that Saitama just ran poorly. More than anything, it's just ran poorly. They have terrible management. And they were built off hype. If they were just a sick ass team that maybe ran to a $6 billion market cap, fucking missed some targets and had a good team, well, then fine. But they're a shitty team. They take no personal accountability. They're a bunch of goons. And it's just going to fail. I feel like it's going to fail. You know? Roddy could be the CoffeeZilla, hold the cream. Anyone has a deal on a mic and camera? DM me, please. Time to roast some bitch. I wish I had an extra mic. That my fucking Yeti just broke. It broke when I was when I was vacating over in Denver. The best thing you can look for in a company is they're going to launch a project is that they keep on showing up every day. You know, they keep showing up, getting after it every day. Fuck CoffeeZilla. He won't talk about Bored Ape Nazi Club. That's funny. I wonder why he won't. I mean, he's mentioned it. But yeah. But keep in mind, CoffeeZilla makes this is his. He calls out quote unquote scammers, but this is his bread and butter. He makes his living off calling out, scamming and stuff, shady things and stuff like that. This is what he does. So even though not everything I think is fair, this is what he does, right? This is what he does. Andrew Tate, Tornado Cash, just cryptocurrency in general, Mark Cuban, so he was literally on SafeMoon's ass, boy. You think I was on Saitama's ass? He was on SafeMoon's ass. Whatever happened to Seifu Ape? No clue. Anyone can have $1 billion idea. Only a few can actually execute and deliver. That is true. That is true. That is true. Renegade. When are you going to bring us up to talk? I don't know if I'm going to have an open platform like that. I think I'm just going to keep it like this. In my opinion, Saitama failed after the Vegas event. True. I thought we were talking about Gary V from YouTube. No, he talks about it right here. Watch.
Tried a lot of different things. Some, like French Montana, a rapper, experiment with real-world utility that's doing well. We're talking about Gary V with his V-Friends. And I've got to say, he's kind of crushing it with stick figure caliber drawings, proving, once again, it's not about how good your art is, because these are 5-year-old doodle level drawings, but they're selling for the price of an economy car. With a mint price between 2.5 Ethereum and 0.5 Ethereum, early investors are very happy. Their investments are up several 100%. I think they're selling for like over 6 Ethereum now. And I think the X factor is obviously Gary V himself and the project's exclusive access to VCon, which is an NFT event he throws every single year. Now, as a quick reminder, I'm not endorsing V-Friends. I don't think you should go buy one. Just because the price went up before doesn't mean it will continue to go up. And our next celebrity is a great example of this. Reese Witherspoon is a famous actress.
See, a lot of these. So what do they have? What do they have in here? Tekashi 6ix9ine. They have Justin Bieber, Reese Witherspoon, Lindsay Lohan, John Wall, Tyson Fury, Floyd Mayweather, Kevin Hart, Mike Tyson, Steph Curry, French Montana, Nelk Boy, Stan Lee, a bunch of people. So let's go to what have we learned? This is good.
I just gave you. Let's kind of recap how these projects did. I've shared 20 of them with you, and of those 20, only 2 of them are still above mint price, V-Friends and World of Women. Another 2 of these projects were at least close to their initial mint price, maybe within 20 or 30%, while the rest are down nearly 90 to 99% and are basically worthless. So what's the lessons? Well, firstly, celebrity NFTs are definitely not about the art. The most successful project is a series of scribbles. So if anything, I learned that NFTs are just about building and maintaining hype. And the truth about hype is that it's easy to build at first because you can just promise people anything, but it's hard to deliver on and maintain in the long run. The other lesson that I learned, which I haven't talked about much, is that there's an asymmetric risk to buying NFTs, because while the average investor of these NFT projects has lost a lot of money, all the celebrities who delivered on them made money. I mean, it's very easy to make money selling an NFT because you can make them for cheap and sell them for hundreds to thousands of dollars, which means that while it's a big risk for you as a buyer, it's not a risk at all for the celebrity, which might be why they like them so much. And for these reasons, and the general risk of scams and rug pulls, and the fact you'd be relying on a celebrity for your financial well-being, I'd have to say celebrity NFTs are a bad bet.
I jumped in to the NFT community without knowing what an NFT was. I didn't know what an NFT was. I didn't know what crypto was. I wasn't well informed.
Which I guess, did I really have to prove that in the first place? No, you probably already knew that. But I think it was interesting taking a look at the life cycle of these different NFT projects, and I hope you've learned something.
So that's a good video, right? I mean, you know, it's the same thing that goes for small cap cryptocurrency projects. I mean, and you know, the crazy thing is that when it comes to these NFT projects, these celebrities don't even know what the fuck's going on. They have management teams that are like, hey, so and so celebrity, you know, out of their busy day, hey, we want to make an NFT project. Here's the pitch. This is how much we're going to be making. Is that cool? Can we run with it? They say, okay. Those people run their social media. Hardly any of these people. You think Steph Curry, Justin Bieber, any of these motherfuckers are really sitting here looking at NFTs online? No, they're not. They're getting all these endorsements. They're living their lives, and they have managements and agents who handle all this shit, right? So keep that in mind. Except for Gary V, because he's really about it, right? So, you know. Yeah, exactly. XRP is dead. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Today we have a AMA with MetaMonkey AI at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Of course, you can check them out. Links to their social media are in the description down below. Again, shout out to the channel sponsors for this month are MetaMonkey AI and V Empire DAO. We're gonna have some sweet branding later on this evening. It's gonna be fucking awesome. Again, let me know what you think in the comments down below. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you tomorrow and tonight for the AMA, of course. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.